Once you add the 2 pound of Angus steak beef, take 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, chop it, mince it, add it right here, right on top. I still have some leftovers. Make sure all the chopped garlic gets right there. Give it a stir so the garlic, oil, everything gets mixed up evenly. This is a Angus steak beef, guys. I mean thinly cut. This is on a high flame. Give it a stir fry for like 10 minutes. Angus steak beef with 8 cloves of garlic, 10 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We will stir fry our beef. It's been 10 minutes. We have been stir frying our Angus steak beef, thinly cut. This is a thin cut. 1 whole spoon of red crushed chilies. Okay, 2 whole spoon of brown sugars. So brown sugars, 2 whole spoon. They go right here. 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, regular soy sauce. So this is 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 whole tablespoon of Chinese salt. It goes in our beef. Half tablespoon of regular salt. This is half tablespoon of our regular salt. And give it a stir. Oh, the aroma is yum. Once you add these mixtures, give it a stir so all the ingredients they take place in our recipe. This is sweet and spicy broccoli beef. Take 1 whole pound of organic fresh broccoli. Add this right here. Looks good, right? The green and the meat all together, all the way in. Looks good. Take green peas, right? 1 pound of green peas. Just add right here. This is what it is. The sweetness is yum. Take a white onion, whole. Chop it from the middle, and then again the middle from the other side. Take an onion and just try to skin it layer by layer, you know. So just we are here layering our onions, you know. It's a whole onion. If it's a big or small, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you skin it and add it in your beef with broccoli recipe. This recipe is a quick fix. Get yourself Angus steak, okay? Slice it thinly. Get at least 2 pounds of steak. Slice it thinly. Add 1 pound of broccoli, 1 green peas, 1 whole onion. If you guys see right here, just add it right here. The steak is already done. Once you cut it thinly, if you guys see, this is already done. Oh yeah, it has the flavors. Now we are focusing on our vegetables. So the vegetables do take at least 15 minutes. The best part, put all the vegetables at once. So half of the onion, whole big onion, put at least half of it, skin by skin. Cover it with the lid and let it cook and release all the waters of the vegetables in your pan, in your frying pan, at least for 10 minutes. We will check the whole ingredients and the steak, the soy sauce, the crushed pepper, Chinese salt, the regular salt, and the sugars, 2 spoons after 10 minutes, and you will be amazed just by the result. It's been 10 to 15 minutes. It's actually 15 minutes. I've been roasting these vegetables and the beef perfectly, you know. This is a perfect recipe. The beef with broccoli. Here you go. The vegetables the vegetables were getting steamed. They have the sauce right here. I'm giving it a stir. Right here on the vegetables with some snow peas. The broccoli is already soft enough. If you guys see, if I mush it, it's gonna be a mushy. So we will take another 10 minutes. Just cook it with the lid open. The steak, Angus steak, It's already done. And cook it for next 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes this whole beautiful recipe will be ready for you guys. I'm telling you, this is the best beef with broccoli recipe. I showed you in a whole pan. This is homemade, this is pan fried, or this is a pan recipe. I'm just telling you guys, follow the same recipes. And here you go. This is the biggest piece of broccoli. It's soft. I'm gonna turn off my stove. It's already done. Beef with broccoli. This is Angus steak, striped cut. We will let it sit for another 15 minutes without the heat. It's gonna all settle down to a final taste. I made some white rice with that. I will dish out here some white rice, and then we will pour our beef with broccoli recipe right here, right on top of our white rice. You count this meal as a cheat day meal, it's all fine. Count it as it is, you know. It's all healthy, it's all natural, it's all organic. The beef is organic, broccoli and all the vegetables, they are organic. So we will add right on top of our white rice, which are organic as well. This is all it is, guys. All of the recipe on 1.5 pound of rice, and this is what it is. Beef with broccoli recipe. You don't have to do anything else. It's already cooked, it's already fried, it's already packing a whole punch of the meat with broccoli recipe on top of our white rice. Here goes the first bite. Okay, I'm taking a spoon at the bottom. I'm dressing with some beef. I'll try. I mean, these are long strips. Just beef and the broccoli right here. Perfect, right? Rice, beef on top, white rice. You know, we all know how to make white rice. Peas and some broccoli right on top. This is the premium bite. White rice, beef, broccoli. Anyone can make this recipe. You have this ultimate big guy bite. This is the ultimate big guy bite. Premium recipe of the beef and the broccoli is right here. I just want to tell you guys, do try this recipe. I have shared this video just for you guys, so you can make this whole recipe in your kitchen, in your pan, right? You can enjoy the whole recipe. This is a Chinese recipe and I'm proud of it. This is a whole recipe. It has the soy sauce, it has the Chinese salt, or you can call it Ajinomoto, a little bit. Maybe if you're not a fan of it, add quarter of the Ajinomoto. Whole Chinese recipe in your kitchen under maybe 30 minutes, and this is what you get. Get the ingredients and enjoy the recipe. Let me take the bite. Anyway guys, I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and do share this video. If you are making the same recipe, make it in a one pan recipe. You know, make the whole recipe in one pan. How you do it, I have shared with you, and you will be amazed by the flavors and the punch and the vegetables with the beef, the premium beef, the Angus premium beef on top of it. It's gonna be wonderful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. So guys, we all worry about the crunch, right? In the Chinese vegetables, we all worried about the crunch. So this is just meat, rice and onion. There you go. The onion even have a crunch. Just the broccoli. The way I have shared with you guys, it has passed all the levels of the recipe.